Hello, good morning students. Welcome in a last period, that is 10th lecture of rational number. Now our fifth question is going on. Find 5 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Okay, we have completed first question. Now second question is we have to find the 5 rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Now first of all we make the denominator same. To make the denominator same, first of all we find out the LCM. Now the LCM of 4 and 2, the LCM of 4 and 2 is equals to 8. Now we can make the denominator equal to 8. So 1 by 4 is equals to multiply 1 by 4 by 2 to the numerator and denominator. So it will be 2 by 8. Again convert the denominator of 1 by 2 equal to 8. So 1 by 2 is equals to, we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 4. So we can make the denominator equal to 8. 1 into 4, that is 4 divided by 2 into 4, 8. If you observe here, we convert their denominator equal to 8, but we cannot find out 5 rational numbers between 2 and 4. We cannot find out the 5 rational number between 2 and 4 having denominator equal to 8. So we have to convert their denominator. We can convert their denominator equal to 80. We can convert their denominator equal to 80. Why we are converting their denominator equal to 80? Because we cannot find out 5 rational numbers between 2 and 4 taking denominator equal to 8. That's why we are converting their denominator equal to 80. Now to convert their denominator equal to 80, we have to multiply by 10 to the both rational numbers. So 2 by 8 equals to 2 divided by 8 multiply by 10 to the numerator and denominator, it will be 20 by 80. Second rational number is 4 by 8. 4 by 8. Again multiply numerator and denominator by 10. So we can convert their denominators equal to 80. 4 into 10, 40. Divided by 8 into 10, 80. Now here we can easily find out 5 rational numbers between 20 by 80 and 40 by 80. Therefore the answer will be the 5 rational numbers. 5 rational numbers lie between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Lie between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 are, first will be 21 by 80, 22 by 80, 23 by 80, 24 by 80, 25 by 80, so on up to 39 by 80. Can be any of these. Okay, why can be any of these? Because we have to write only 5 rational numbers between them. Okay, I hope you understand this second question. Now we will take third question. Now see the third question. We have to find the 5 rational numbers between minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. Now first of all we have to make their denominator same. To make their denominator same, first of all we have to find the LCM. The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So we can convert the denominator of these two rational number equal to 6. First rational number is minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 multiply minus 3 by 2 by 3. Minus 3 into 3, that is equal to minus 9 divided by 2 into 3, 6. minus 9 by 6 will be our first rational number, and second rational number is 5 by 3. Convert the denominator equal to 6. 5 divided by 3, multiply numerator and denominator by 2. 5 into 2, 10 divided by 3 into 2, 6. Now we can easily find out 5 rational number between minus 9 and 10. Okay, now see how we can find it. Therefore, 5 rational numbers lie between minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. Our first rational number will be minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6, minus 6 by 6, that is equal to minus 12, minus 5 by 6, minus 4 by 6, so on up to 9 by 6. Okay, can be any of these. Why can be any of these? Because we have to find only 5 rational numbers. Okay, now here we complete our fifth question. Now we start question number 6. Now question number 6 is, we have to find 5 rational numbers which are greater than minus 2. To write 5 rational numbers which are greater than minus 2, first of all we draw a number line in the, then you can write easily 5 rational numbers which are greater than minus 2. First of all we draw a number line. Suppose this is a number line, at the center of this number line there is 0. On the left side we mark up to minus 2, minus 1, minus 2. On the positive side of number line, suppose we mark a number 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now in this question we have to write the 5 rational numbers which are greater than minus 2. So the 5 rational numbers which are greater than minus 2 are minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Understand? These are 5 rational numbers which are greater than minus 2. So our answer of this question is, therefore the 5 rational numbers which are greater than minus 2 are minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, very easy question to understand. Okay, here we complete our question number 6. Now we start our next question, question number 7. Now the question number 7 is, find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. First of all we make their denominator same. Now the LCM of 5 and 4 is equals to 20. LCM of 5 and 4 is equal to 20. So we convert their denominator equal to 20. Okay, first rational number is 3 by 5. 3 divided by 5, multiply numerator and denominator by 4. So we can convert their denominator equal to 20. 3 into 4, 12, divided by 5 into 4, 20. Second rational number is 3 by 4. Again we have to convert their their denominator equal to 20. So multiply second rational number by 5. 3 into 5, 15, divided by 4 into 5, 20. If you observe here, we cannot find out 5 rational numbers between 12 and 15 taking denominator equal to 20. Okay, that's why we can convert the denominator of these two rational number equal to 100 also. So then we can easily find out the 5 rational numbers between them. So we convert their denominator equal to 100. How we can convert their denominator equal to 100? First rational number is 12 by 20. Multiply this rational number to the by 5 to the numerator and denominator. So 12 by 20 multiply by 5 to the numerator and denominator. It will be 12 by the 60 divided by 20 by the 100. Second rational number is 15 by 20. Multiply this rational number by 5 to the numerator and denominator. 15 by 20 multiply by 5 to the numerator and denominator. 15 by the 75 divided by 20 by the 100. Now if you observe, we can find out how many rational numbers? 10 rational number between 60 and 75. Okay, so the answer of this question is 10 rational numbers. 10 rational numbers lie between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4 are, we have to start from 61. 61 by 100, 62 by 100, 63 by 100, 64 by 100, 65 by 100, 66 by 100, 67 by 100, 68 by 100, 69 by 100, 70 by 100, 71 by 100, 72 by 100, 73 by 100, 74 by 100 can be any of these. Okay. Now here we complete our first lesson, rational number. I hope you understand this lesson, rational number. This lesson is very important as part of the standard 9 and 10. Okay. You have to, first of all, how you have to make the practice. First of all, revise the basic concept, revise the theoretical part that I have sent you through videos. Okay, first of all, you have to revise it. After making revision, you have to solve the exercise 1.1 and 1.2. After the completion of this lesson,